prepare as best I can for these meetings, and one of the things that I thought I would start doing going forward that might be helpful to you is just to talk to you a little bit about the cases we have in Roosevelt Island. So I'm going to start doing it on a quarterly basis. So I did prepare a report for the first quarter of 2012. For the month of January, February, and March of 2012, we prosecuted a total of 25 cases with arrests here on the island. So I'm going to do a quick breakdown of what those arrests were for. We have two of the cases that are sealed, meaning that we can't talk about them, and I can't see them even if I try to, unless we have some reason to have a subpoena to open those cases. So that was two of the arrests. There were 4 arrests that resulted from traffic stops, 4 from petty larcenies, meaning like shoplifting and graffiti or something like that. 2 from the trespass program. I don't know if most of you realize this or not, but most of your buildings here on Roosevelt Island are enrolled in what we call our trespass affidavit program. I maintained that paperwork. So you had a total of 2 arrests from people that were actually trespassing in those buildings. 1 for theft of service, 2 for assault, 3 for domestic violence assault, and I broke those out into a separate category. 1 for obstruction of government administration, meaning that someone was preventing an officer from performing his duties. 3 for marijuana, 1 for criminal mischief, and that really just involves someone picking up a bottle or a chair or breaking a window. I'm sorry? 1 criminal mischief. And 1 for criminal contempt, meaning that criminal contempt usually comes from there being perhaps order of protection in place, and someone's violating that order of protection by going, or contacting the person that has the order of protection. So of those cases, we have a total of 15 that are still open, that are still pending in federal court, and 10 that are closed. None of the 10 that were closed really resulted in any jail time. They were for the lower misdemeanor cases like the marijuana, the theft of service, shoplifting, and they resulted in things like time served, community service, and things of that nature. So I just thought it would be interesting or helpful for you to know what types of cases we are prosecuting here on the island and the amount of those cases. So I'll be coming back quarterly and just preparing these reports for you. Thank you.
Thank you. Great.
Yes.
What would time it?
When
Just
I
talking about
came in 1982, coming from small towns, I went to the cops in Manhattan and said, "Where's the safest place to live?" And they said, "Roosevelt Island." The only crime we have there, practically speaking, are the bored teenagers. There's no bowling alleys over there, etc. Has it changed?
Well, I don't know in terms of the safest neighborhood. I can't make a statement like that. All I know is the cases that we prosecute in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office from arrests that happen here on the island. So I don't know in comparison how that is in comparison to the mainland, which is the 19th precinct side, or I don't know how to compare. I wouldn't make that statement. Perhaps the police department can, but I can't.
any questions, any comments? Thank you. What good timing. We seem